What is happening with you guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Kicks coming at you live from the dirty ass X3. We got a graveyard going on over here. So guys, check this out. For the first time ever, all my cars are together. What a sight to see. So we got my prized possession over here, the 350Z that's never gonna go anywhere. I haven't been driving this thing. My registration is actually expired and I need to renew that. Hopefully I can do it online. If not, I might have to go out of state to do it. I really hope I don't. So gotta figure that out. But yeah, she's chilling, she runs, she's sitting here. So I did a line hone on the new bottom end because it needed it, and I needed another crank. Originally I bought a crank for it. It was an HR crank and not a VHR crank. So I had that balanced and polished and everything, and turns out it was the wrong crank. So now that the new crank is done, I'm gonna be taking the block and the crank over to Joey. He has the rest of my parts for the engine. I think I just need like some head gaskets, head studs, maybe a few small things, and we could start building a new motor for this thing. Goal for this one, 950, 1,000, somewhere around there. I'll be super happy with that. Like the whole racing shit for me nowadays, guys, I don't care. I'm not trying to prove anything, honestly. If I wanted to prove something, I would just put all my money into one car. I could sell the ZR1 and put 100 grand into my Z. This shit could be on a dog box, probably all-wheel drive swapped, VR38, Motec, like, you know what I mean? Parachute, the whole nine. Like I could literally make this car probably like 1,400 horsepower, some insane shit, like one of one. But I just don't care. I like to build some clean shit, and I like it to be, you know, semi-fast, run properly, and I just like to enjoy it. The Z will definitely come back soon, guys. Don't trip, it's gonna come back soon. But today, what we got going on is some S15 stuff. My Meisters are finally done for the S15. I think they're going to look insane. The tees look great. The Millennium Jade with the chrome tees is bussin'. I love it. It's definitely going to be my secondary setup, but these are going to go to the storage. I'm putting the Meisters on because honestly, I'm tired of seeing S15s on tees. I feel like every S15 in Cali is on tees, so we got to put the Meisters back on. But the new finish I just did them in looks insane, and I think this color combo is gonna look super sick. So yeah, man, let's pull the wheels out, see how they looking. Let me get a quick little drum roll. I might throw an ad right here. Bam! Woo! Yo. Yo. I ain't gonna lie. This might be the most beautiful thing I've ever done. Holy shit. Oh my. These are buzzing. God. I'm honestly speechless because these look so sick. Just give y'all a moment of silence to appreciate what we got going on. God damn, bruh. If you don't know what you're looking at, you are looking at black chrome Meisters. I was gonna do them chrome like the TEs. Those are triple chrome, so you guys can see the difference. A lot of people think that chrome is the same thing as black chrome, but it's not. Straight just shiny chrome. They're a little dusty right now, but straight just shiny chrome. But black chrome, as you can see, especially from this angle, it just has this very dark finish to it. So it's basically like chrome is white and these are just light skin, so they're mixed. And at first I was gonna do just silver hardware, but I thought about it and I'm like, yo, I have gold hardware from the Meisters that I had on the E90 just chilling there, because I remember I took them off a long time ago. And I'm like, honestly, I think the gold hardware with the black chrome will look crazy. So huge shout out to my boy Bulletproof Coatings. Triple chrome always looks good. I've always loved triple chrome, but black chrome has always just, it's always did it for me. Back in the day, I did my Nismo V1 wheels, black chrome. Actually black chrome some TE reps, believe it or not. I think I spent as much money on the chrome as the wheels. But I have never did a set of black chrome Meisters though. Always wanted to do it, just never did it. Never felt like I had the right setup to do it on, but everything has its time, and now we are here, bruh. And I cannot stop looking at these wheels. And we do have gold decals for them, so that's gonna look crazy too.
5 minutes later.
All right guys, decals are on. I'm gonna let them sit for a bit and then I'll peel the other layer off. Like I said, man, the chrome tees always gonna look good, especially on this color. It's never not gonna look good, but I just think these Meisters are just gonna hit on some other shit. I think it's time to pop these out too. Bro, I've had these lugs sitting for so long, never used them. What are the odds? We got black chrome lugs. Nah, that's it right there. Once the calipers are gold, game over, dog. I won. Didn't miss with this one, guys. I don't give a fuck what y'all say. But bro, the tees look better. Hell nah. That shit is crazy. And the hardware like hitting off the lips. Looks like I got double hardware on that shit. Yeah, sorry tees, y'all going to the storage. I'll wait till motherfuckers stop buying these and put them on their cars. I'll bring these motherfuckers out in 2030. Gold hardware, definitely a perfect choice. This thing straight up looks like a show car. That could still gap you, because we still got the art compounds on the back, you know what I'm saying? We sneaky with it. But damn, bro, this looks so tough. Oof. This is gonna look so hard at night. It's just the way that the hardware reflects off of the lip. So sick. What up, what up, what up, what up, man? We are hopping back into this video. I have not revealed the wheels yet. I'm pretty much going to be forcing myself to do that tomorrow since I'm going to be taking the car out to a meet tonight. We have 240 Tuesdays. It's pretty cracking, like semi S chassis meet. It's kind of like everybody now. It used to be like strictly S chassis, but now it's kind of like just a bunch of JDM cars. So if you guys have been here, you've definitely seen a couple of those meets on the channel. I got a couple of the boys coming out, and should be a cool night, man. I put my lip stickers on. We got those all the way around now. Shit looks tough. Bro, these wheels look so good. It's like, damn. Love it. That sound, brother. Always cars, always traffic. I can never just hear my turbo, man. That's all I want to do. I just want to hear my turbo, dog. Sounds flaptastic.
20 minutes later.
Alright guys, well, we have encountered our first problem with the S15. Once I exited the freeway, the throttle started like giving me no response, and it's doing the same shit right now, so I don't know. I'm like full throttling it right now and it's like not even doing anything. Just trying to fuck up my night, huh? Alright, well, let's see if we can figure something out. We got permission to park here, alright? Don't grill me, don't grill me. I am low-key handicapped because my neck is broken at these wheels. God, bro. The black chrome is just insane. Shit is so tough. Like when the light hits it. Oh my god. It looks even better outside. Like just looking at that front right now, my goodness. Mr. Must Be Nice over here. Yeah, so I don't know what's going on with the car. I started it again, I moved it. It was on for like 5 minutes and it didn't act up, but I'm gonna see if I try to make it home. Pretty much just unplug the throttle bodies, unplug the MAFs. I don't have any boost leaks right now. Like all the charge pipes are on, so it's not that. And yeah, and I don't know. Kind of a little weird. Cars never did that, so if I make it home and it doesn't do it again, then it's probably just glitching out, but we'll see. I like coming to this meet because there's always different shit here, you know? It's always something unique you don't see every day. These are triple chrome. Basically the same thing I got. But you could definitely see the difference between black chrome and triple chrome. My boy got some Meisters too. Alright. Pretty sick. This guy repainted this like a old Porsche color. Probably can't tell on video, but it's like very cream. This thing is packed today though. Damn. Viper on TEs? Sick ass. That shit's tight. Definitely a kick spec right there. Yo, this is an Infinity? What? Never seen that before. Said it's an F30 91. My guy got the whole state ref out. You don't even gotta pop the hood. Just leave the ticket right there. Dang, that cover buzzes. Alright, it's clean.
Be careful with that big ass dip right there.
Oh yeah, I saw it earlier.
Yeah, you got Grand Canyon right there. That pothole crazy. It's lucky probably the cleanest sedan I've seen. Not gonna hold you. That shit hidden. Yo, no cap, this is the biggest Tacoma I've ever seen. What, 42s in that shit? Shit is huge. That's crazy. 42s. Damn, R35 brakes is crazy work. So I need on the 15. Little SR. Sorry guys, I ain't been filming too much. I've been concerned about my car. I don't know if I'm gonna make it home or not. Okay, the Vet Boys is out. Is that an X3M? Like army green? It's pretty cool. Little LCI. Damn, we back at Texas 2K? See a little blower in there, G. Clean ass. Clean it up. Yeah, it's about that time, guys. Probably gonna get up out of here. Yeah, this shit clean right here. I fucks with that one. That's hard. Tuck it. Alright. Alright guys, it is time to get up out of here. Well, I'm gonna let them take the photos. But yeah, man. Hopefully my car's good. Alright, little S2K. The Regas. See you, I see you.
Yo, the wheels look sick.
Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. Man, he clocked me. He clocked me. I think because I switched to Millennium Jade, I got the fucking 2JZ curse now. Oh, hell no. Alright, so the car drove fine so far all the way home. Probably do another little pull right here before I exit and see what happens. Yeah, that was definitely a little weird. Cars never did that ever. Out of the 4 years this thing has been swapped, it has never gave me like any kind of throttle issues. Only thing that I did, or I'm thinking maybe it was, is the main harness to the ECU. I kind of have it like tucked in there, and it's a little, I wouldn't say kinked, but the harness is a little bit like curved. I don't think you guys will be able to see, but obviously you can see the ECUs right here. And I had this tucked in here, and the harness is a little kinked, but it's not like bent to the point to where it's not gonna have voltage, you know. But so I'm just gonna leave it like this for now and see if it happens again. If it doesn't, then that's probably what happened. Maybe it just, the harness got hot, and since it was bent, it kind of messed with the voltage to the throttle body or something. So there is the new wheel setup. Everybody that's seen the car tonight got a sneak peek because I have not posted it yet. So I'm gonna be uploading this video tomorrow, so you guys will see. And yeah, man, it looks hard. Honestly, this shit looks super good. Like, this is top tier setup right here. Like, it's still sporty, but at the same time it's like classy too. Like, very OG, and just, I don't know, this shit is hidden. Probably, in my opinion, the best setup I've had on the S15. It looks super good. So yeah, man, hopefully the S15 is good, because I'm actually going to be taking this, I believe it's already going to be next weekend. I'm taking this out to Utah. I'm collabing with an event with my boys over at Gearhead Society. So actually be sure to hit their website to get tickets. I will throw it in the description below. Use my promo code. I'll put it somewhere down here. It's going to be Fresh Kicks. You will get 15% off whatever you purchase. Admission, entering your car, whatever it is. Just use that promo code, save you a little bit of money. And yeah, we are planning on bringing this out there. Obviously, I'm not going to drive it out there, but my boy's going to put it on the trailer, and it'll be pretty cool to have this out in Utah. This thing has never been out of state besides Vegas, so it's always cool to have your car in another state. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I'm out.